What's up guys, structuring project in interface solution using provider and consumer. Subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Data consumer, it receives the data provider and processes its data from the query or task if the approach is improved. Between the provider and the consumer there is some kind of manager that processes the data and already gives it to our consumer in the desired sequence. Let's look at an example of use in the state pattern. When switching states, we transfer data through the provider, and then through the consumer we process them. We can also use the in transition when switching states. And one more example we analyzed in the previous video, where we transfer data to game screens. Thank you for watching. Write in the comments what else you want to see.